Hi guys, welcome to this short video about what's in a finger exercise ball or stress ball, and especially what can happen when it's leaking. So here we have the remainder of this exercise ball, which I've got from my wife a couple of years ago, and because I've not been using it, so I kept it in a drawer with a lot of electronics, 2 hard disk drives and a lot of other stuff. And when I wanted to grab one of my hard disks, I realized that everything is almost locked here in. Even crazier, this hard disk here, it's fully sealed in, and I couldn't find out what it is. And I saw a little bit of mirroring down here, and I touched it. It looked like it would be wet, but it is not wet. You can see that here. All the cables, all the wires here are like in water, but it's not in water. This is really the content of this exercise ball. So you can see how it looks now. It's totally empty. Somehow it melted through the skin here, maybe a reaction with the metal, I don't know, and then everything was leaking here outside. You can see here even the hard disk, it goes up close to the USB port. If I'm lucky, I can still use it, but I have to find a way how to remove this from here. It will be really difficult. It's absolutely crazy. It's absolutely insane. I mean, it looks very nice, very interesting. It's still somehow soft. When I go with my fingernail, you can see it has still quite some impact, but it's not super soft anymore. It has hardened a little bit, but it's not totally hard. So I hope I'll be able to remove these things here. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy. I cannot even grab this ball here. Yeah, that was also a gift from my daughter, and especially these cables. I have no clue how I could remove these cables here. So I have removed now this box, and you can see it's somehow almost still like liquid. It looks really weird. What I've also found that here, yeah, that's the opening here, no sharp thing, so there must have been just some chemical reaction or so. So this is my advice here, to be very careful. If you have such a ball and you're not using it anymore, don't leave it in a drawer with very valuable things, with electronics or other stuff. Imagine we had our passports here inside, something like that. I mean, it's already really bad, because this is a hard disk drive where I have some backups which I think I don't have anywhere else, so it can be a little bit crazy. So definitely my recommendation, don't leave this thing just in a drawer alone. Maybe put it in an extra box or in a bag or so to be safe. Yeah, just wanted to show you that, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.